All right, welcome back to my math class. Right, in today's class, we have a math problem on the board and we have to solve it. This is what they said, solve this. 3 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. A lot of people had this wrong. Right, I'm going to show you the principle today and the techniques of getting this. Right, so this is the way a lot of people did it. Let me do it that way and you see that we'll compare it and you see the difference. So this is what people had. We have 3 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. When people see this in the examination, they hesitate and they got it wrong. This is how they did it. 3 minus 3, 0, times 6 plus 2. So they subtracted 3 minus 3, which is 0, times 6 plus 2. So they have 0 times 6 plus 2. And at the end, 0 times 6 or 6 times 0. 0 times any number or any number times 0 is 0. So they have 0 plus 2. At the end, they have 0 plus 2, which is 2. So this is what they had. And this is wrong. So this is what? Totally wrong. A lot of people also did it this way. A lot of people also applied this strategy and they had it wrong. A lot of people did it 3 times 6 plus 2 minus 3. Then they continue multiplying this. 3 times 6, they had 18 plus 2 minus 3. So 18 plus 2, they had, the third positive came before minus. So they had 18 plus 2, which is 20 minus 3. So 3 minus 20, and they had minus or negative 17. So this is also wrong. So at the end, 3 minus 3, which is 3 times 6 minus 3, which is 3 times 6, which is 18 plus 2 minus 3. 18 plus 2, which is 20 minus 3, which is negative 17, was also wrong. So this is also wrong. Right. So let me show you the principle. Now, mathematics is not difficult. Yes. I know a lot of you people were intimidated by lectures, by mathematicians, that mathematics is difficult. No. Everything in life is principle. That is all. Know the principle. When you know the principle, you don't struggle. When you are putting food in your mouth, either by hand or by spoon, you have to put it in your mouth. You don't put it anywhere but in your mouth. Then it go into your what? Stomach, your tummy. Yes. So that is the principle of what? Eating. Take the food or fake the food and put it in your mouth. So mathematics also has a principle. You know the principle, mathematics, how? Come on. You are going to have fun. For me, if I'm working mathematics, it's fun for me. Mathematics is not difficult. Begin to, change your mind. Change your mind. Tune your mind from that is difficult. Mathematics is difficult. And begin to have fun. Just use plus, minus, and all that. Be trying it. You will see that it's not difficult. So let me show you the principle. Now, the principle is this. You use the word board mass. Board mass. What is the meaning? Let me interpret it for you. B means bracket. B means bracket. O means off. D means division. M means multiplication. 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 A means addition. Addition. S means subtraction. And we know our symbol bracket as this, off as what? Power, which can be 5 raised to the power 2. Division as this, multiplication, this is the symbol, times, addition is what? Plus, and subtraction is this. Now, let's come back to our problem. We have 3 minus 3. So we are having 3 minus 3 times 6 plus 2. Now, let's go back into the board mass. Which one came first? Is multiplication. So I'll come back to my problem and then put a mark here and say this one came first. So which one came second? second, which is number 2. This one came first. Number 2 is what? Addition. So we have number 2 as addition. So number 2 here came what? Second. Then number 3 is what? Subtraction. So here I have subtraction. But I'm not going to write subtraction here because I'm going to explain this 3 minus 3 here so that you know that this minus, it is not having effect on this 3. It's having effect on this 3. Now, this is how it is. Watch something. This is 3. If you are interpreting this, that is why I'm saying it is what? Math is a reading, is a study, and it's something that you must follow the principle. Watch. If I am reading this, I'm going to say what? 3 minus 3. So this minus is having effect on this 3, not this. So this is how it's going to be. If I want to rewrite this, I'll write it like this. 3 plus, since this is plus, then I will put this one into brackets. 3, negative 3 times 6 plus 2. Just use your calculator from here and you get your answer. So this is how I'm going to rewrite it. Because this is negative 3. This negative is having effect on this 3. Right, so now we are going to have 3 plus negative 3 times 6 is going to give us what? Negative 18 plus 2. Right, so now negative 18 plus 2 is going to give us negative 18 plus 2. Let me write it here and explain it for you. Negative 18 plus 2. Let me explain it basically. Let me explain it basically for you to understand. Negative 18 means I am owing somebody $18. And in my pocket, I'm having $2. Now, if the person take this $2 from me, then it will remain negative $16. So meaning that I am what? The struggle, the person took $2 from me. And now I have to pay him what? Minus 16. So this minus 18 plus 2 is going to be minus 16. Then this plus 2 continue to, this plus 2 is going to be like this. This is going to be like this. Plus 3. So we are having 3 plus negative 16 is the same as what? Is the same as negative 16. You can rewrite this as negative 16 plus 3. Which is, I'm owing somebody 16. Owing somebody 16. That is negative 16. When you are owing somebody, that means you have a debt to pay. So I'm owing somebody $16. And I'm having $3 with me. The person took that $3 from me. So I'm left with what? Negative $13 to pay. So I'm left with what? Negative 13. So 3 plus negative 16 is going to give us what? Negative 13. So this is our final answer. So this is our final answer. And with this one, we are saying our answer is correct. Just have a look about what I did, just a second, and I say bye. So this is the final answer. Right. So now that you've seen it, I hope now you see that math is not difficult. It's a fun. Right. Keep on following me. Bye for now.